What's going on, guys? I decided to kick this day off great by bringing you a second video already. So if you didn't do your crypto taxes yet, this could help you out and save you a bit of time. Now, this is how I did my taxes. I use TurboTax. I always use TurboTax. I don't know if you guys can use TurboTax, but it makes it real simple if you're self-employed to be able to do your own taxes on your own time. Now, this year, TurboTax has partnered with Coin Tracker. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Coin Tracker, but I used Coin Tracker for the first time this year, and it was phenomenal. It was amazing. I had a great experience with it. And so here's how it usually works for me on TurboTax. Normally, when I did my stocks, I would just link my Robinhood directly to my TurboTax account. This time, they prefer if you just do everything on Coin Tracker, because you can just link your Coin Tracker to your TurboTax. So you do like your normal job taxes with your TurboTax, and then everything crypto you're going to do on your Coin Tracker. Now with this Coin Tracker, this can just link right up to your Coinbase account or your Kucoin account, whatever your brokerage is. They'll have a list of them, and you'll just be able to sync it right to your brokerage, and then they'll just pull all your data, and that'll be real simple. That'll be the easy part. The other part is all your wallets. That would normally be hard, right? Like figuring out what you made from all them wallets is pretty ridiculous, honestly. But yeah, that's super simple now too, because all you have to do is paste your wallet address right in a Coin Tracker. Then all you got to do is give them permission to pull data. You're not giving them access to your funds or to make any decisions with your wallets. You're only giving them permission to pull out your transaction data so that they can calculate everything for your taxes. Now, once you have everything together, all of your wallets, all of your brokerages, put them all together in Coin Tracker, it's automatically going to calculate your profit and your losses in this beautiful analytic dashboard, and you'll be able to see everything, like your whole performance for the whole year. You'll be amazed, honestly. It's a great experience. I had a lot of fun doing it, and it made taxes super simple. I thought they were going to be scary, and they were real easy, you know. So I hope this helped you guys. I hope you guys get the opportunity to use TurboTax and Coin Tracker. It's a pretty good way to do it. If you got some value out of this, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to bring you guys so much information to come. I have so much to share with you guys, and I'm super excited for this spring.